Hey guys, happy Vlogmas Day 2! Today I'm going to be sharing with you my Christmas decor. So, right behind the couch slash when you walk into my living room, I have this piece of furniture here. I actually used to use this as a end table in my living room, but it actually fits perfectly right here, so I haven't moved it back. I just love this right here, so I do actually have to get another end table eventually. But anyway, so this is just so adorable. I love this little nook. It just makes me so happy every time I enter my living room. I got this tree from Target a few years ago. I think it was like 15 bucks. But I never actually put batteries in it. I still have like the Try Me, it's kind of just for show. It's not really for the lights. And then I got these Hello Kitty itty bitties at Hallmark, oh my gosh, like forever ago. And I'm so happy I got them because you can't get them anymore. I also have quite a bit of Disney Christmas stuff because a lot of it has been gifted to me. Growing up, I loved Minnie Mouse. And then by 8th grade, I was obsessed with Hello Kitty and never went back. Got this lamp. My mom gave this to me, I think a couple years ago. And some stuff there. And then I got the Hello Kitty reindeer plush last year. I was super excited about it. And my little Frenchie here is usually next to my fireplace, but you'll see what's there now. But once Christmas is over, it will move back. And both of these little praying dog things, I don't even know what you call them. I got them at Pier 1 before they went out of business. So they might still have it on their website because they're still in business on their website. Then I have this blanket here. I also have a fall one, but for the Christmas, I love putting this out. I think it just makes everything look so pretty. I don't actually use it as a blanket. It is strictly just decor, and then I fold it up and put it in the bin after Christmas is over. I absolutely love it. Honestly, if I probably had pets, I probably wouldn't even put this out because it is very delicate. You can get pulleys on it. But these used to be pretty expensive, and I think now you can get them for $30, $40 on Amazon or like find them online. I've seen them really, really cheap. I think they used to be like $100 or maybe a little over $100. I have a fall one and a Christmas one. They were both gifted to me. One was from my mom and one was from George. And I just think it's just so, so pretty. So I absolutely love it. Okay, so here is my Christmas tree. I still don't have a star on the top because I haven't been able to find a good one. So you guys let me know. We always put Mr. and Mrs. Kiss under the tree before Santa comes. Look how cute they are. I know I've showed that before. George got me this ornament this year, and I absolutely love it. I really need to print a lot of pictures, and I kind of want to get like a picture collage frame where you can put a ton of pictures for 2021, especially because we have done so many things this year, and it just like makes me so happy. I swear, I think 2021 was the best year of my life. This is seriously my favorite ornament. I remember when I got her, I think, oh my gosh, maybe in college or high school, and I've had her for that long. She is vintage. I got my Central Perk. That's a new ornament for this year. Trying to find where my new ornaments are. I should have spot them out before I started recording. Oh, this is a new ornament we purchased. My mom gave me the Frenchie this year. Where else? Oh, I also got this. I thought that was really funny. Oh my gosh, I don't know. Just lots and lots and lots of ornaments. But yeah, I love our tree. We're gonna probably end up needing a second tree for sure because we are running out of room. I mean, there's no point to put ornaments on the back because no one can see it. But I mean, I'm sure if I had like a foyer where I would put a tree or something, then you can do it all the way around. But yeah, definitely need to get probably another tree eventually. And then on the windowsill, this might be corny for some, but I like it. So pretty much any season or holiday where I have Hello Kitty. So like for Easter, I have tons of Hello Kitty Easters. Maybe I'll end up doing a video on my Easter bunnies, sorry, for the Hello Kitties. But maybe I'll end up doing an Easter decor video when that comes around because I have such cute like things for that. But anyway, I actually have doubles, I think, of this Hello Kitty here. That's how much I love it. And then I have like Karopi. I don't know what the girl's name is. If you know, let me know. I don't know if I've ever seen her before. Then I have this little reindeer here just kind of randomly next to my TV. And this is a new piece that I got. This House Believes. I got that at Hobby Lobby. I will tell you what, Hobby Lobby has some like really, really inexpensive, cute things. I always put stuff on my windowsills. I don't know. I just have to. And then this little guy here. I love this Gingy. It has like a weighted butt, so it like really like sits up. And I got that at the supermarket for like $5. I like love it. I've had it for so long now and I really enjoy it. George just got me this the other day. I am so excited. From Five Below. I didn't even know that was from Five Below. But then I have the bride and groom, and I swear when I got this in the mail, George bought it for me and I cried my eyes out because I wanted this for our wedding and it was like sold out everywhere. And to finally have it, I absolutely adore it. Adore it. It was worth every penny. So my fireplace is pretty much a shrine for our wedding, but that's okay. And then obviously with holidays, it changes out with added stuff. So it kind of looks a little cluttered, but I don't take off the wedding stuff. I just add the holiday to it. Got this. The She Dances. She's really cute. They have one at CVS right now that I really want to find, but I can't. There's the stockings, and then I have Merry Christmas. So that's how it looks. I think it looks really cute. I think it looks really, really cute. And then I have some Disney Minnie and Mickey Mouses. And then over here, I have this sign that says Santa stops here. I don't want it here. I just have to figure out where to put it. I saw the price tag on it. But I have that there. And then this windowsill here. So really cute. But yeah, I need to figure out, you can hang this too, which is really cool. I don't want to hang it on the wall though. But I was even thinking about putting it inside the basket and then not having the Gingy. I don't know. I got to figure it out. But I love it. Love it so much. I love everything that says like Santa stops here, or you know, waiting for Santa, like all those like little stop signs for Santa. I like love it. I want to put one outside. I wish I had a chimney, because I would, if you guys saw that commercial where there's like that green arrow for Santa to go into the chimney, oh my gosh, I like live for it. I would totally do that. So anyway, that is my fireplace. I think it looks really cute. Okay, and then this is our kitchen here. Didn't do too much. Just have some, usually I put blue lights up and it looks really pretty in here with the blue, but I just really wanted multi this year. So that's what I did. And then up here, I have Baking Spirits Bright. I got this at Hobby Lobby too. And oh my gosh, it was only like a few bucks. $4.99, and sometimes there's things are on sale. So, but that's all I have. I don't have anything else Christmassy. Usually I do, but I think I just put it in other places this year, but I just stuck that there for right now. And then here, this is our Christmas. We're using all of our table trays apparently, and then there's Hello Kitty plates and containers that I bought, and then some poinsettias that my mom gave me while I was at her house for Thanksgiving. So this is my table setting, and I already have place cards out that I took from my mom. And yeah, and this little thing here, I never know where to put it, but I thought it looks actually really pretty on the dining room table. So that's what it looks like. I probably should have put the lights on. I have to iron out the placemats, but because like when you wash them, I'm gonna have to I have to wash them again anyway before people come over. It's probably getting dusty by now. You never know. But yeah, I really want to find a tablecloth. I need to measure my table because I don't know what the dimensions are, but I would like to find a tablecloth because this is real wood. So if somebody puts something hot on here or anything like that, like you can ruin the table. And it just really, really just, I've been places where that has happened to other people's tables and I'm like scared about it. So I need to find a full length tablecloth and probably something that would match maybe this color. I think it would be really pretty, or maybe even red. I don't know. But yeah, I love that. And these candles I think I got from Pier 1, and these marbles as well. I used to love Pier 1. These are also from Pier 1. I use these every year since I purchased them. I just obviously wash them. So yeah. And then I have curtains here to put up in my dining room. I purchased them so long ago and I just need to do it. You know what I mean? And I didn't want colored because I actually don't like this color. This is what we moved into, and I want to change it. Although for this time of year, it totally matches everything, and that's a sign that we got at Home Goods. May your days be merry and bright. And I thought, like, seriously, it matches the walls, but I'm not crazy about the color, so it is what it is. Okay, so that's that. And then this here. I think they call this like a buffet table. I don't know. If I were to ever buy another house, I do not want a formal dining room. I want my kitchen to be big enough for my dining room table to fit in it. And if I do have a dining room, but the kitchen better be big enough for my table to fit, and then my dining room will end up being a different type of room, an office or something else. Like I don't want a formal living room. I'm not a formal person anyway, and it's like, why have two tables literally right next door to each other just in separate rooms? You know what I mean? I don't know. Anyway, but I do like this piece of furniture because I, do storage in there and everything. Obviously, there's nothing underneath. Do you put something underneath? Anyway, I had these vases and I didn't have anything in them. They were just sitting empty for so long. Oh yeah, here's the other placemat. I got these at the Dollar Tree like 8 years ago, and I have the one that I showed you in the first clip. But yeah, I don't know what to do with them, but they're pretty though. I mean, you can't tell that they're from the Dollar Tree. Anyway, I ordered off of Amazon. I ordered two, I think 24 pieces, and they work really, really well. I probably could fill them up even more, but I think it looks so freaking cute. I love it. This I got at the grocery store. I don't know. If you have a giant grocery store by you, they have the best inexpensive decorations. I buy so much every year. So if you're curious, and they have the best like Christmas holiday candy, Halloween candy, and it's inexpensive. It's always on sale, and it's better than Target pricing. So definitely hit up your grocery stores because for one, their stuff is always on sale, and they probably have a better like single serving selection. So just a little hint for you guys there. So that is my Christmas decor. I'm so excited to host Christmas this year. So yay.